hope you're 23, happy first anniversary. And I did have another video for you, but I didn't have time to edit it, so this is just what I have to do instead. So this is Claudine Wolf Classroom Assortment. She's doing Trigger the Calcometry 101. And we'll start off with her shoes. So they're pink and glittery, and they've got, you know, this one. And then, she didn't have any leggings or tights on. And her skirt is a pencil skirt, it's green, and it says Wolf plus fashion equals me. And then she has a belt, which is a grey bow. Look at that. And on her blazer, it's purple, and it's got a stripe. It's got a stripe here, and then this is bumps, like bumpy, and then there are little triangles in the hole, in the ridges of the bumps, and then her lips are pink, and she has green eyeshadow, and her hair is wavy, not curly, wavy, and she has a fringe, and she's got the same highlights, and her earrings are black triangles. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh wait, hang on, no, sorry. She's got, for her extra outfit, she's got a maxi dress, yeah, black and purple, and a head bow with a hairband with a bow on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy first anniversary, and I hope I win. Bye!